Welcome to my talk about the network BioPAT, the network for bioprocess analytical technologies. BioPAT is a cooperation network in the field of process analytics and control in bioprocesses for various applications. Because process analytical technologies are not just important in industrial biotechnology, but also for processes in bioenergy, in pharma, in food and feed, and so on. Because with process analytical technologies, we can develop, monitor, and control our bioprocesses. We can identify critical process parameters in real time, and this allows us for fast intervention in case of disturbances and provides a process also for process optimization. In our network, we have various members that are distributed in Germany, mostly located in the Berlin area. And beside BlueSense here and Biophotonics Diagnostics that we have in Herten and in Halle in Germany, we have most of our members located here in the Berlin area, quite well distributed, and also in Potsdam. And we have in total 15 small and medium-sized companies at the moment in our network and 5 research institutions and universities. We have many different disciplines here in our network, suppliers of sensors, reactors, and analytical technologies, developers of process control and data management systems, but also the users of PAT that apply PAT in their fermentation cultivation processes. And the network was founded in 2019 at the chair of bioprocess engineering at Technische Universität Berlin. Welcome to my talk about the network BioPAT, the network for bioprocess analytical technologies. When we look on the long-term goals, these concern the support of our members. We want to strengthen them in their visibility. So we want that our members are not only known in Germany, but also worldwide, that people know, okay, here are really nice, innovative, cutting-edge technologies or services or processes that can improve bioprocesses. And by the corporations that we support here, we want to strengthen the innovation power of our members. And when it comes then to the development of new technologies, they can also strengthen their market position, which is important, of course, especially for our small, medium-sized companies in the network. And finally, also, we want to enhance the economic strength of the members. So these are the long-term goals. But how do we actually achieve our goals? Which activities do we have daily? How do we support our members? Well, when it comes to the corporations, we want to especially support the contact between providers and users. And here are examples shown where sensor providers come in contact with the members that have bioprocesses, also in the industrial scale, where they then try first in the small scale whether these sensors or sensor systems can be applied for their processes, whether data are generated that they expect, whether the connections are suitable, and so on. So first trials. And then the aim, of course, is to apply these technologies then also for the industrial production. But also other corporations like searching for facilities, searching for laboratory space, and so on. We support also, for example, a question of a member that provides sensor technology, and they were searching for a location for their next photo shoot to set their sensors in the right light to put them in a scene in an industrial environment. So here also you see this on the right side, an research institute, the Research Institute for Brewing actually, and the SOPAT GmbH for photo-optical particle analysis technology. They cooperated for, or they will cooperate also for such approach. Also, research projects are important, as said. And here it's very important that we have the universities and the institutions also in our network. And they also play a role when it comes to teaching activities. We motivate our members that they also get involved in teaching, that, for example, they held lectures for the students, so they get in contact with the students. They can influence all the teaching here. They can present their technologies to a young audience. These might be future clients also, but more important also, they might be future employees, because at the moment it's not so easy to find the right people. So here they can get already in contact, and the students on the other side have the advantage that they get insights into industrial real cases or real research projects from institutions. So there are on-site lectures, online lectures, and also the universities provide a course where institutions or companies can formulate a problem or challenge, so a case study, which is then solved by the students. And they do not look only on the scientific part of such a question, but they also analyze all the economic questions. They analyze costs, they analyze project planning. So project management and a business plan are involved. They write a report in the end of this project. So it's a really good, it's a win-win situation for both sides. The students learn a lot, and the company or the institution just is involved with a bit of time, but does not have to invest any money. And in case the project plan is really elaborated well, they can have a good solution and the basis for further handling their questions and their challenges. Further, also the visits of laboratories or pilot plants are very interesting for students always. Also, as said, visibility is very important for the members. We support them in marketing strategies and materials, and we also go to fairs, congresses, exhibitions where we represent our members. For example, here in the picture above, you see me representing certain technologies in a conference in Colombia, where the topic was biogas. So all technologies that we have in our network that are suitable for this application I represented there. So people do not have to travel one by one to these locations. Also, regarding the fairs, we really try to represent as good as possible our members, and they can also come to a common booth where they do not spend so much money, but still can be present to international audience. We also organize our own events, seminars, and workshops like the Bioplatform Now. And also, of course, we have different workshops available for our members where they can get in contact with each other, where they can discuss certain topics in more detail. We are funded in the frame of the program Improvement of the Regional Economic Structure, partly by Germany and Berlin, and the part is also taken over by the members. They pay a membership fee. And this program is running 3 times 3 years maximum, and we are now in our second funding round and hope that this work will continue. So these were the most important aspects of the network that I presented here. And I also want to give an announcement for an event which is taking place in Berlin in April. the bioprocess symposium, where also Biopart is involved in the organization. Save the date here. We have this time the following 5 key topics that you can see here. Also, process analytical technologies is, of course, a very important topic. This conference is taking place every 2 years in Berlin. And also you will find then later on the PDF more information concerning the program and the registration. And also we have still options for exhibitors and sponsors. So have a look here on the website. Yeah, I will be happy to meet you in Berlin at this symposium. Welcome to my talk about the network Biopart, the network for bioprocess analytical technologies. Questions concerning the presentation, please feel free to ask. And also later you can find me on different channels, also on social media, we are active. And for now, I thank you for your attention and I wish you a very good conference here.